Everything I spit be on that hip hop. Real G's don't flip flop. My click poppin', it's a war zone against fake cats when that kick drop. It's a rap now, can't back down. Put me in the ring, I better run laps round any act clown. I'm the one that's pulling strings, I'm like the puppet master. Only difference is I'm not them other bastards. I'm running faster than the speed of light to save you from them suckers after. Hip hop has been a war on it since it built the bridge from your turf to my turf. We all down to salvage this.
Had to let them know what time it is. Lock them lips while I pop the clips. Zip locking these puppets in. I'm a lethal bastard with no oxygen. Every afternoon when I'm blasting tunes, lady loosen up every boob. Crazy beats, leave my crazy peeps. Always acting up like we own the heat. On the streets like Poppin' P. Always ready, they're the opposite. No competition when I talk a pitch. There's an ass whipping that I had to give. Hip hop until the caskets drop. Got no love for these pedal pops. Sweet tooth like a missing corpse when I drop them down for